We're at Franklin Falls. You can kind of see the water. Hopefully I keep recording and don't forget. Look at all that water. You can't even really see it in the camera.
Oh, which way you're posting?
Yeah. So cool. You guys excited? Yes. Yes. So cool. Look at that house. So pretty. Yeah. Tired, hungry, thirsty, all the things on this hike. It's really pretty. We actually just did a hike last week that I didn't record because that was pretty tough for me. But this hike is supposed to be easy. I think we're already here. Oh my god. Is that it? This is the fall. So pretty. Oh!
It smells good.
It does.
Maybe it's just their color.
I'm tired, guys. Are you guys tired?
I think we're almost at the top.
I hope so.
Getting a workout.
I could work out, yeah.
I'm excited to come down.
We made it. My sandwich. Here's Luis's sandwich. Here's Alex.
Parking lot.
I feel like I'm losing so much energy.
You're using so much energy?
Losing.
Why?
I don't know. Some chips would smack right now. We should have brought chips. Oh. Alright. What do you have to say to the camera? Nothing? You want to say anything, Alex? No.
We'll put the camera towards her.
Well, I don't think she wants the camera on her. That's why. Because earlier when I put it on her, she covered her face with the sandwich. Look at the drone, guys. Oh, there it goes. I'm too poor for a drone. But at least you got to see someone else's. The waterfall is so pretty. It was worth the mile. Bye, waterfall. That was such a pretty hike. Or pretty waterfall. Had our sandwiches, now we're on our way back. Maybe you're gonna see another waterfall. Maybe also just get some chips and Diet Coke. Well, this takes uncooking and hot, and you can cook it a little bit of it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. Wow. So pretty. All the way down? Waterfall number 2 today. I feel like we look like parents. The smallest hike ever. Wasn't even a hike. The parking lots were right there. Walking up the steps.
cool though, huh?
Yeah, crazy that you can see a waterfall like that close. Bye, waterfall! So we got home from the hike a while ago, and now we're going to the park. This is the outfit. That's all I know from the song. We just made it to gasworks. And I hear just told Louise that it looks like Teletubby land. It's so pretty. Look. So pretty. Look at all these flowers. There's Louise. It looks so pretty. Look at that boat. Ah! So pretty. Everyone looks so cool. And like somewhere over there is my house.
Anything.
And now we're leaving Teletubby land. How to not use my customer service voice when vlogging. How should I open my YouTube channel? Should I be like,
That'd be pretty funny. You like that? I'd laugh.
you'd laugh?
I'd laugh.
Okay, I know I said bye already in the vlog, but this whole day I've been vlogging and I was like, I don't know where my tripod is. Don't remember where I left it. I say goodbye to the vlog and Luis is like, the tripod's next to my door or whatever in the car. I'm like, all day I've talked about my tripod. Didn't say anything. So I say goodbye to the vlog and he's like, I know where your tripod is. Well, thanks. I don't need it anymore. Before we head home and end the vlog, we're going to go get Dick's Drive-In burgers. Oh my god, my tripod keeps moving. My tripod is not supposed to move. Oh, it's because I wasn't holding it right.
You're gonna grab it back and
Gonna grow. Oh my god, look at the bus. Don't know if it came out in frame, but it was really cute.
right now.
What did we get, Luis?
Bag of no, I got it. Eating it.
We got the goods.
I'm a dead.
Got the goods. Show the vlog. Ta-da! So good. These soggy fries. They don't know that this is the view from my apartment. And continue apartment. Say hi. You want to end the vlog? You look so pretty. Saint, what about you? You want to end the vlog? Bye. Sainty, you look so beautiful. So beautiful, my baby. You mad, Chloe? Oh my God, this is Luis. He's my husband. Say hi, Luis. Hi. This is my arts and crafts table. It's literally just in my kitchen, but this is what I'm working on right now, which is a piece for Luis. It's gonna go in our kitchen where he can put things, but it's a little caved in, but still really cute. Here's Chloe inspecting.
You are not like that offensive. You don't make offensive jokes. No, I hate them. I hate offensive jokes. Even like back in my trolling days, I don't know, like.
He's so cute. So cute.
Maybe he did not pay us no attention.
No. Hi. Hi, kitty.